Okay. Welcome to Dr. Adulkar's NLP course. Now, in this session, we are going to learn the exercise number 2. What is that? How to remember critical words in science. Parents, science is a very critical and deep subject. Why? Because it involves the spellings and the words which are very critical. Normally students doesn't know how to remember, how to recall these words. So we have some other techniques. Shall we start? Okay. See the first word in science. Carbonate. What is the postmortem of the carbonate? How you do the postmortem? Very simple. Carbonate means you want to go to the car, you want to open the bonnet, you want to check the battery. That is called carbonate. The word is carbonate. Like that. See the second. Sodium. Sodium we can change, we can postmortem like soda bottle. Sodium, soda bottle. Very easy. Make it interesting. Third, magnesium. Magnesium, friends, you can, every children love to eat Maggi. This is Maggi. Maggi means you have to recall magnesium. Very simple. See the fourth, argon. Argon means, see the rhyming words. Air, gun. You combine the word, you become the argon. Fifth, fluorine. See the spelling. Fluorine. The mother comes to you, wants your help to sweep the floor. What you want to sweep the floor? Rin with soap. Fluorine, soap. Fluorine. Connected words. See the sixth. Box tight. It is very easy. You want to open the box which is very tight. Box tight. 7. Nitrogen. You know there was a picture called Tarzan the Wonder Car. No Tarzan. Nitrogen. Very easy. See the 8th. Polonium. You also eat that tablet called Polo. Mint with the hole. Yes, that. Polonium. Like that you have to make it interesting. 9th one. Titanium. Titanium. You see the famous Oscar corrected picture Titanic. Same here. Titanic. Titanium. See the connection between the words. Last is gallium. Gallium is everybody want to play cricket first of all in gully area, and that is called gully, a passerby road. Understood? So these are the postmortem of the main words, and like that you can search from your textbook critical words and you have to do of your own. My dear friends, it's a game. You are playing the game on the mobile. Like that you can play these critical words, how to postmortem. You will enjoy, definitely you will enjoy, and you will learn how to recall the spelling while writing the papers. Understood? Best of luck.